Hello guys, welcome to SUBCRIBE YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to share you the tips to make your living more luxurious and larger. The first tip we are going to see is the placement of garden. Gardens always give a pleasant look for a living. If there is no place to place a garden in your living, you can provide the garden in the setbacks, and the provision to avail the garden from the living can be done through large sliding doors. This will definitely give a pleasant look for a living. And placement of indoor plants will definitely gives more advantages, and these indoor plants are available in a variety of kind in the current market. This not only gives a pleasant look but increases the circulation of oxygen in our living. And the second point is provision of sunken slab for the sofa. Sunken slab for sofa is nothing but the place where the sofa is placed is sunken for a feet or 1.5 feet. This gives a high ceiling look for a living. And the third point is placement of large sized windows. Large sized windows gives more ventilation and light to our living. The height of window can be selected from 7 feet to 8 feet, and many other decorative windows are available in the market where the height is less when compared to the length. And the next point we are going to see is that in case we have a small hall, that is the size of hall is average hall, we can place decorative mirrors in one wall opposite to the entrance, so that it will definitely give a luxurious look. And these decorative mirrors are of many kinds like circular, box mirrors, arc mirrors, etc. So placement of decorative mirrors will definitely give a luxurious look for living. And the next point or the next tip that I'm going to share is curtains. Please don't the curtains from lintel level. Always it is advisable to place the curtains from the roof, because from the interior the placement of curtains from the roof will definitely give an aesthetic look and a luxurious look for a living. And the next tip is usage of rugs. Rugs are nothing but large size mat that we place below the sofa. This also gives a luxurious and warm look. And the next tip is usage of decorative plants near the sofa. It is always advisable to place the sofa over a plain wall, and placement of these decorative plants near the sofa will definitely give a luxurious look for living. And the next tip we are going to see is always provide openings for hall and dining, or dining and kitchen, or hall and dining and kitchen. Please don't provide arches or any other doors access this hall and dining, because providing openings will definitely make a thing larger, and these partitions can be done by using bamboo sticks or wooden plates which is available in the current market. But please provide openings for this hall and dining. And the next point is TV unit. TV units are the first thing we are going to see while entering our living. So it is advisable to place the TV unit which can be accessible from hall, dining and kitchen. In some cases, people who are working in kitchen needs to watch TV, and this can be accessible by placing the TV unit according to it. And the next tip is staircase. Most of us place the staircase in a separate place, and this is not advisable. For a luxurious and a larger look, staircase can be planned inside the living itself, and this staircase can be decorative. And in the current market there are many types of stairs like wooden stairs, spiral stairs, floating stairs, etc. So any of it can be opted, and staircase can always be placed inside the living itself. And the final point that I'm going to share you is the living is a place where our family members all gather together. So hang our family photos in the walls of living and place some small shelves for books and for decorative items in the living. But please note, don't cover the entire wall with these family photos and shelves. It can be in a decorative pattern or a specific type, so that this will definitely give a lovely feel or a warm look for the living as well as for our minds. And that's all for this video, friend. I hope these tips will definitely help you out in designing your future home. So if you like this video, please do like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to CivilCraft YouTube channel for more interesting videos on civil engineering and architecture.